Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I have a beginner friendly cat eye gel polish nail set with products from Born Pretty. So come on in, sit back, relax, remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. And let's get on with the video. Alright, so I want to start off by saying thank you to Born Pretty for sending these products over, and I'm going to be showing you what all of them are. There's 4 gel polishes that are cat eye gels, and there's 1 magic gel remover. Let me know if you want to see a video on this magic gel remover. It won't be in this video, but let me know if you want to see a separate one dedicated to this. So for the first half of this video, I'm going to be swatching these 4 gel polish colors, and the first shade is Empty Dream.
That make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me, would you see what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
So now that I've swatched all those shades, I am going to create a cute little beginner friendly nail set using a couple of those colors. For the base, I wanted to go in with the shade Blueberry, and I do 2 coats of this on each of the nails, and then I cure it for about 60 seconds.
It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe.
Since I am using cat eye gels, you need to use magnets to manipulate the magnets inside the gel. I have no idea how the concept of cat eye gel works. I just think it's so cool. I'm using the shade Passion Fruit over the base color that I used, and before curing it, I am using a magnet to manipulate the cat eye gel, and you can do anything you want with them. Honestly, I just take the magnet and I just point it in a certain direction and I play around with it until it kind of goes in a way that looks really cool. And this kind of reminds me of like outer space, the Milky Way galaxy, just all the stars that just light up like this. I don't have a name for this set at all, but I feel like I would name it somewhere around like a galaxy, outer space, and star-like type of vibe, just because it reminds me of that.
I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away. Just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away. Just trying to get my mind straight. I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Been spraying on my gun, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight. Don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight.
When I first did this, I was like, I don't know if I like how it looks. But once I put these on my nails, because I use nail stickers for press-on nails, and I went outside and they hit the sunlight, they looked so gorgeous. But that was like after I used top coat, and I usually would say, oh, I would stop right here and just be done with the nail set. But I wanted to go in on top and add like another shade. I think I tried to go in with like the Midnight shade, or was it the Empty Dream shade? I don't know, one of those two cat eye shades. It was more of a silvery glitter, and it looks, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looked ugly on top. It's great by itself, but it didn't look good on top of it. So I did test it out on the pinky finger here, and I wiped it off. So I scrapped that. I just keeping it simple from now on, but after I wiped it off, I literally just went in with some no wipe top coat and called it a day.
let you go. Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up.
Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.
Show you something, give you more than once. Leave you head in this place on